Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's edition of this video, as you can see here, I have the Logitech multi-device keyboard. The name of the keyboard is K480 and I have purchased it from Amazon, and what I will do is that I will leave the link in the description box below for you to go ahead, and if you wanted to purchase, you can go and click on the link. As you can see here, the keyboard is a multi-device keyboard, and let's open it up and let's see what are the features in this keyboard. So let's start this video. So guys, let's see the packaging of this product. Now I will give you a quick features or what all is mentioned in the packaging. In the front you can see the Logitech branding, as you can see here. Below, as you can see here, it is mentioned as for Windows, Mac, Chrome OS, Android and iOS. So there's a lot of compatibility that you can see here, which is helpful nowadays, as people tend to use different laptops of Apple, or laptops or computers for Windows. Now on the back you can see that a few of the things which has been mentioned here, like type on anything. Second is the type in comfort, and third is the switch easily between devices. Windows and Mac, Android and iOS compatibility. And here are a few of the features. The one of the main features which is being mentioned here is the 24-month battery life, so which is really good. And also this package comes along with two battery inside the keyboard. The other is the 10mm wireless range, which is good. On and off power switch, battery indicator light. And what you need an Apple iPad or an iPhone or an Android devices or any Windows computer. So basically these are the features which is mentioned in the packaging. And like I have told you, in the packaging it is mentioned here that there is a AAA battery into two. So there are two AAA batteries which are already included in the box. Now the price of this product, I have got it from Amazon at a price of rupees 2,300. And time to time it tends to happen that it gives on discounts also. So like you can see, I have the white color one with me. There is another one with a black and a green, which I have not purchased because I thought that would be too much common, as lot many people have it, and as I have lot of Apple devices, so I thought that white color would be much more suitable. So all in all, this is what the device looks, or the packaging looks like. Let's go inside and see how the device or the product looks like. So guys, as you have seen the unboxing, there was nothing much in the box. Only you can see one of the documentation or the leaflet, which I have kept it aside, and it was a very simple one. Nothing much information was given on that. Now as I have opened up the keyboard, as you can see here, basically the main feature of this keyboard is this dial, which is 1, 2 and 3, which says that simultaneously you can connect with 3 devices, be it your iPad, iPhone, or maybe your computer that you have been using it. So this is the main highlight. Second highlight is this rubberized place that you can see here, wherein you can place your mobile phone or any device that you wanted to keep it here. I will show you an example. I have a phone out here and I can mount it here, but yes guys, you will have to remove the cover of it before you mount it. You can mount it horizontally or vertically also, as per your need, and you can type in here. I will show you an example as we go forward. And let's talk about few of the other things which is mentioned. If I talk about the keyboard, this keyboard are quite tactile. The keys are quite tactile. The sounds which comes from the keyboard is really nice to hear, the click sound, and it is not that compact, I would say. So I think taking this keyboard along with you would be a bit problematic. Why? Because as I can see, it is a bit bulkier on the side, and it is pretty much heavy, and if it is not that slim, as you can see here, the profile is not that slim. It is quite on the thicker side. Let's see on the back side. Here you can see the on and off switch. These are the rubberized bits that you can see here, and I think this would be the battery. Yes, so this is where the battery goes in. As you can see here, there is already two AAA battery cell which has been mentioned, or which came along with this product. Let's close this. So I think this is a pretty much good keyboard, as I can feel, and there are a lot of shortcuts which you will normally find in an Apple iPad or an Apple MacBook. See, this is like you can see here, the command function is there, and there's a function key is there. Also, alternatively, if you are using a Windows device, there is a start option, and alt option is also mentioned here. And this is the basically connecting thing. So here on the left hand side it says as PC, and the right hand side is I. So I as in iOS and Mac OS devices that you can connect to, and PC as in Android, Windows and Chrome OS that you can use to. So let's put one of my iPad and one of my other phone on this. I will keep it here and let's see how does it functions. So guys, what I have done here right now, as you can see here, and like I have told you, there is a two option to connect here. One is the PC and other is the iOS device. So I have clicked on this device and it will start blinking out here, and as it start blinking, you will have to go to the Bluetooth settings in your iPad or an iPhone, and then it will show up as keyboard K480, which is now connected. And the other thing that I want to mention here is that I have kept it in number 2. So this setting, the keyboard will remember it. Whenever I will switch it to number 2, probably it will be connected with the iPad automatically. Now coming to the other device that I have is the Realme. It's an Android device, as you can see here. And what I have done is that in the setting number 1, as you can see here, I have connected this device, and as I go to setting 1, as I move the dial, you can see here that keyboard physical configuration is active now, and it says that K480 is connected. So now we'll keep both this device together. And one more thing that I would like to tell you guys is that you will have to remove the cover of both the device if you wanted to place it in this kind of an on the rubberized platform. That if you wanted to keep it on the keyboard platform, then you'll have to remove the cover for any device that you use it. So let's go to the Note functions and let's see how it works. So guys, here as you can see that I have the two devices. One is the iPad, one is the Android device, and both the devices are connected to this keyboard. Number 1 is the Android device and number 2 is the iPad. So let's see in the iPad. Now you can see here the Note is already open, and let me type in something. So you can see here it is coming up as I have typed in like and subscribe. It's been mentioned here. Now let me move the dial to number 2, which should easily get connected to the iPad. Now this takes around 2 to 3 seconds of time, and I think it got connected. Let me try and see if I can type anything out here. As you can see here that I have typed in, and as you can see here it's coming up as like and subscribe. So I think the keyboard works really fine, and it works very seamlessly. In fact, both the device can be switched on within a few seconds, probably a gap of 1 or 2 seconds max to max. But all in all, I think it is a good device for people who are willing to buy a wireless keyboard, and that can be used simultaneously with a phone, with an iPad, or with your desktop PC or anything that you wanted to connect to. Now why I have got this product is I have to do a lot of editing on my MacBook Air laptop that I have, and normally what I do, I connect to an external monitor, for which I need a keyboard. Now I was looking for a keyboard, and then I got to see this Logitech keyboard. Now this is really helpful for me because I do not have to open my laptop again and again. The lid remains closed and my laptop gets connected to the monitor, and I have an wireless mouse, and now I have a wireless keyboard, which completes the entire setup, and which helps me, which actually gives me an easiness to do my work with all my freedom that I want. So all in all, I guess this is one of a very good device that you can find out, and definitely if you are looking for this kind of keyboard in the market, then I will leave the link in the description box below. You can go and check it out. Also guys, this is available in Amazon at a price of rupees 2300. So all in all, I think it's a very good keyboard, and do let me know your comments and thoughts, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.